Hey there guys, I'm back again. And today we're going to unbox my favorite box ever, which is the Luxbox. And this box is dirty, as you can see. I'm going to open it up already. And the reason for that, and the reason why it is so late, is actually because in the meantime, when this box arrived, I had a baby. And therefore, clearly, I was in the hospital. I was in the hospital for a total of 2 weeks, and clearly I wasn't able to unbox. And you're not seeing my face because, you know what? My face is definitely not camera ready, and my baby is actually sleeping right behind me. So yeah, let's just do it this way. I did the other 2 boxes this way as well. I just finished filming those, but you guys will be seeing that. Actually, you already saw those 2 boxes. This is the last box. Okay, so enough yapping, shall we? There's a lot of paper in here. Did I just get 2 of the same? I think I got 2 of the same. Hold on. So this is the booklet, and I guess the theme, so-called theme, is Sweet Summer. Okay, these are the items inside. I'm going to move this so y'all don't see them. And this is Carry Mod, the Fusion of Happiness. A scent stick for 1 month for a fresh scent in small spaces. I'm guessing we have a scent stick in here. Oh, hold on. There we go. Ah, yes, see? I think this is the scent stick from lavender, which is something I freaking love. So that is great. Let me just check in the booklet whether or not they listed it as an item, because sometimes they do. No, they did not. Okay, so this is an extra. So I'm going to place it right over there. I'm going to move the box all the way over here so that we have some space to work with. So this is pretty cool. We got a little scent stick. I love little extras like this. I really do enjoy them. Okay, now let's move on to the actual box. What's this? This is from BioRay. Free Your Pores. Rose quartz and carbon for normal to... Oh no, shoot. This is for normal to greasy skin, and my skin is dry. So I cannot use this. But you know what? I can, however, give this to my mom. So she's gonna love this. So unfortunately, not for me. And it looks so freaking gorgeous. I'm not really sure up close if you guys are able to catch that on camera, but look at this. It's got like hints of glitter in here. It is so gorgeous. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna place it over here. By the way, I took off my nails because this one actually chipped. And like I said, I have a baby. Long nails aren't really... I am used to long nails, even with babies, don't get me wrong. But since one chipped already, you know, I just figured, you know what, let's just cut them all off. And I still did not do a good job of filing down the gel. There's a lot of gel still left, but with a baby, I just don't feel like it. Like, I'm going to be honest, I don't feel like doing it. Okay, so the BioRay Rose Quartz and Carbon Cleanser is a full size, and the worth is €9.99. So basically $10 at the drugstore. Okay, let's move on to something big again. This is from Ola's Regenerist. That is not a language that I speak. Oh, this is a night cream. Yes. Oh, I'm so freaking happy with a night cream. Lifted, plumper feeling skin while you sleep. Oh, I'm so happy with this. Okay. I think I mentioned this a couple of videos ago where I said, why the hell don't we receive more night creams in these boxes? Because that is something that, you know, I really do use. We receive a lot of moisturizers and like day creams, but we never really receive a lot of night creams. So I guess they listened to us, thank goodness, and we actually received a night cream, which is awesome. And I love this little... what do you call this? This little pot. It looks so freaking gorgeous. Actually matches this little fella. And I'm sitting here in a dress with my boobies out, and this is mirrored. Hold on, let me just, you know, fix something here. Hope it's not too mirrored. Anyway, this is the pot, a night cream. I love it. Okay, so let's check out. It's the first one here. Ola's Regenerist Night is this not a night cream? It says over here in the booklet night mask, but I thought it said night cream. Oh no, it's actually a night mask. Oh, sorry, I read that wrong. It's a night mask. It's a full size, and the worth is actually $34.99, so basically 35 bucks. Okay, let's move all of these little things. What's this? Bagsy Pretty Cheeks Velvet Blush. This is a blush? Oh my god, this is so freaking cute. Look at this. This is like great for in a Christmas ornament, like, you know, in like a Christmas tree. Okay, this is awesome. So let me just open it up because it says that it is a blush. Come on. Wow. What a box. Wow. This is so cool to package something. I love this. Okay. And it's orange, which I prefer. I prefer orange or coral peachy tone blushes. So I love this. Bagsy Pretty Cheeks Velvet Blush in the color number 2 of Velvet Coral. Amazing. Now let me see. Come on. Let me see just how pigmented this is, because it is a cream blush. Ooh, that is very, very pigmented. Hope you guys are actually catching that up. But this is great for like those summer days. Oh, wow, look at that. Look at how fast and easy this actually was just with my finger to rub it out. Wow, I love it. I know I got fat hands. I mean, hello, like I said, just had a baby, so shush. But wow, very nice. I cannot wait to try this sucker out. I'm actually gonna, you know what? I'm gonna try it out today. I really feel like it. Okay, let's move on to another soap from Daily Concepts. I actually have a couple of these already. Multifunctional soap sponge, Mother of Pearl. Oh, I actually have this particular one, I think, if I didn't give it away. I think I do have one, and it smells so freaking good. But I actually didn't use the last one yet because I have so freaking many like shower gels and stuff that I really have to finish up those first and then I'm able to use this. Oh, hold on. I actually did not mention the price of the Bagsy. Hold on. Wow. I'm very confused. Okay, Bagsy Pretty Cheeks Velvet Coral blush is full size, and the worth of this blush is €17.85. And now moving on to the Daily Concepts. Daily Concepts Mother of Pearl sponge is a full size yet again, and the worth is €6.95. Okay, and now let's move on to something else. I see something in here. Invisibubble, the traceless hair clip. Hair clip? I know the Invisibubble ultimate hair clip. Traceless, high wear and comfort, hair loving, strong grip, secure close, easy removal, smooth surface, durable. I actually have never seen clips before, so that is pretty neat of the Invisibubble. I know like the actual Invisibubble, but I've never seen like these clips. Hopefully you guys are able to see that, but that is pretty darn cool. I have to try these out sometime. Okay, let's see where it says. It's not on this side of the page. Let me flip the page. Invisibubble Weaver Crystal Clear is a full size. Yet again, you get 3 of those inside, and the worth is €3.95. Okay, it looks like the box is empty, but I actually do see quite a few items in here still. Okay, let's move on to this, and this is from Catrice. This is matte. Oh god, no, liquid lipstick. Yes. Shoot. Okay, y'all will be seeing this in a giveaway. Y'all know I hate. And oh boy, I loathe liquid lipsticks. Y'all know I do not like that. This is in the color number 80 Dream Big. And like I said, y'all will be seeing this in a giveaway because I do not use those. Let me see how much it costs. It's over here. It's Catrice Matte Pro Ink Non-Transfer Liquid Lipstick in number 80 Dream Big, full size, and the worth is €4.99. Okay, so I think we got one more item on this particular page, and then I can flip the page, which is this from Vitamasks. This is a pearl sheet mask, brightening, one-time face mask enclosed. Okay, pretty neat and cool. Let me put it underneath this stuff right here so that you guys can actually see it. There we go. Okay. So the sheet mask is from Vitamask Pearl Sheet Mask full size, and the worth is €5.50. And then we're left with one. In the booklet it says we're left with 2 items, but I only see one. Oh no, actually I do have 2. Yeah, okay. And that is that. The box is empty. Okay, so we're left with 2 more items. Now let me just start off with the cream thing. This is from Lucian or Olution. I'm not really sure if I'm pronouncing that. Yeah, Olution. Light Up Serum. 100% natural origin plus 70 organic extracts. Okay, so this is a brightening, unifying serum. Okay, we'll have to try that out. Let's see in the booklet what it says. It says, Olution, a light up anti-dark spot serum. Okay, it's a mini size, and the worth, which would be 50 milliliters, and this is, how much is this? Huh? There is no way. Okay, this is 15 milliliters. It says so right here. But it says in the booklet, like, the store worth of 15 milliliters is 28 euros. Like, I do not buy that. Like, I'm not gonna lie. I don't think that is actually the truth. But I guess, I don't know. We'll have to wait and see whether or not that is actually worth that much. Okay. And then the last one, which is from, wow, hold on, I have to look it up this way. Oh, I actually have to open it, I see. So give me a minute to open it properly, and so that I can show you guys what it is. Oh, it's actually from Golden Rose. Okay, it's a, I'm just going to assume it's a eyeliner, because what else could it be, right, than an eyeliner. Let me just open it up, because it got, you know, those whole plasticky things. I understand, you know, it has to be safely packed and wrapped, but boy is it annoying to take it off. Wow, I actually still did not do a good job. Come on, get off. I'm so close. There we go. Okay, so this is Golden Rose Metals Metallic Eye Pencil in number 01 silver, and you could also get 06 purple, but I'm actually glad with silver. The worth is €5.50, and let's give it a swatch. Okay, it's not the softest, like, I'm not gonna lie, but I personally use these for underneath the eye instead of actually in my waterline, so I'm actually okay with it not, you know, being necessarily soft. Okay guys, and that is it for this month's summer edition, I guess, of the Luxbox. We got 9 items and 1 extra, so in total we got 10 items. I like this box. It's an okay box. This is just too bad that I personally can't use it because, like I said, different skin type. And this I'm definitely not going to use because it's a liquid lipstick. So for me, it's only, like, what, 7 items and 1 extra, so basically 8 items. The rest I'm definitely going to use. This I find very intriguing. I have to look it up online to see what it does. This I have high hopes for since it's so expensive. This I'm going to try out today. Like I said, I actually didn't have night cream stuff anymore, so I'm really happy with this. I already have this one, but it smells really good. The mask I love. The pencil is always welcome. And this set I'm actually going to try out today on the bathroom, because the bathroom, I guess, needs kind of most loving when it comes to scents in house, right? Anyway, I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys think about this particular box? And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!